Hello everyone.
Hi.
Good afternoon everyone.
Afternoon.
How was your day?
Bad.
Why?
Ngantuk.
Oh, sleep. Okay. Before we start with for learning, who is absent today?
Regina said.
Okay. Why?
Maldini.
She wanna go to hospital.
Oh, she is sick.
Yeah.
Okay. So before we starting to learning, I want you all of you we starting to pray together. Who is the leader classroom? Okay, Erika.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's start to pray.
It basmalah.
Start right now. Amin. Wah, amin ya Allah. Okay. Ini.
Okay. Have you heard about today we will learn about the descriptive text. Have you heard about when you describe something or maybe like when you feels like maybe not comfortable or maybe you should be like this. Have you? Dini, may I ask you something? Have you to when you describe something, maybe someone, maybe describe anything when you're thinking, like someone else, people, and animals? Yes. Can you describe something?
Two years ago, I have a cat. I will call it Luffy.
Luffy.
Luffy has white blue and blue eyes.
Oh, so you tell and you describe an animal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we back on the topic. Do you know about the descriptive text? Okay, let me explain about the descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of writing that aims to describe a person, place, thing, or event so that the reader can imagine it clearly. It often uses sensory details like sight, sound, smell, touch, taste, or touch to create a vivid picture. Jadi, descriptive itu adalah penulisan merupakan salah satu jenis penulisan yang untuk bertujuan mendeskripsikan seseorang, tempat atau sesuatu atau ada sebuah kejadian yang harus apa yang kita pikirkan dan bisa pembaca itu bisa kita mengimajinasi di kepala kita kan kita bisa mendeskripsikan sesuatu. Kayak misalnya seperti kayak mendeskripsikan kejadian yang tak terlupakan, contohnya 17 Agustusan. Nah, dari situ ada kejadian apa saja di sana di tanggal 17 Agustus. Opening. Oh ya, opening upacara. Ada lain?
Panjat pinang.
Oh, panjat pinang. Ada lagi apa?
Lomba karung.
Oh, lomba karung. Oke.
Lomba pawai.
Pawai. Jadi pawai. Oh, itu kan. Ya. Oke, next. Tujuan dari descriptive text to describe something in detail so the reader can visualize it as if they were experiencing it themselves. Yang berarti untuk mendeskripsikan sesuatu secara detail dan pembaca bisa menggambarkan sesuatu yang harus apa yang kita deskripsikan. Next. Generic struktur descriptive text. Generic struktur itu ada berapa?
Ada dua.
Apa itu?
Identification and description.
Identification. Identification itu apa?
Introduce the subject or thing being described.
Oke, introduce the subject or thing being described. Yang artinya memperkenalkan subjek atau benda yang akan ingin dideskripsikan. Dan yang kedua,
Description.
apa itu description?
Deskripsi atau gives
Terus
details
about
about the characteristics
characteristics,
Or
qualities
features
or
of
features
objects.
of the subject.
Oke, very good. Oke, apa saja fitur dari kebahasaan dari teks deskripsi teks? Yang pertama,
Use of
adjective. Seperti contoh,
beautiful, ugly,
ugly, oke. Dan kedua, menggunakan tenses
Present tense.
present tense. Oke, very good. And the third, use of the sensory details, menggunakan secara detail. Dan terakhir, figurative language, seperti stimulus, metaphor, personification sometimes. Oke, ini adalah salah satu example descriptive text. Siapa yang ingin membacanya?
Saya.
Oke, Rika.
Baca.
Ya.
My holiday is the village. My favorite place is my grandmother's village in central Java. The village is surrounded by green rice fields, tall coconut trees, and clear rivers. The air is very fresh and cool, especially in the morning. There are not tall buildings or noisy traffic like in the city. The village houses are mostly made of wood and have traditional roofs. Every house has a large garden where people plant vegetables and flowers. In the afternoon, children play traditional games like angklek or play skittles in the field. What I love most about this place is calm and peaceful atmosphere. I usually sit on the terrace with my grandmother while enjoying a cup of hot tea. I also like listening to the sound of birds singing and the wind blowing through the trees. Visiting the village always gives me a sense of comfort. It is a perfect place to escape from the busy and crowded life of the city.
Oke, very good. Give applause for Africa.
Yay!
Erika. Okay. Okay. Next, I guess that's example from the descriptive text. And now, I want all of you, prepare a paper and pen and write another example about your favorite place. Okay, I guess I give you 8 minutes from start right now. And then after that, if you has finished, I want all of you, or maybe I need 3 people to present it, and I have something gift special for you all. Okay. We have I give 8 minutes from start right now. Okay. Yeah. Start right now. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who's gonna be first?
Who's good?
Okay, Aslan. Okay, Aslan. Please, your present on your computer. Yeah.
Okay, so my favorite in this kind
Your present. Yeah.
So my favorite place is my home because in my home I can meet my family like my parents, my sisters, but then I can't do anything what to do. Like I can sleep, I can eat, then makan gratis.
Okay.
Yay!
That's enough. Okay, give applause for the people. I give some special to you.
Yay!
Two left again. Two left more again. I need two left. Two.
Saya. Tadi dulu.
Okay. Dini.
Aku.
Scrap your on your.
Silence is popular my house. It is quiet and peaceful with many tall trees and green grass. I like to go there in the afternoon when the weather is cool.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you, Min.
Wih, tapi bisa. Because
Okay, I need two again. Again. Do you want? Okay, go on. Okay, sis, go on.
Okay, because I like my favorite place is beach because I can meet someone and I can enjoy
Okay, give applause for our friends. Okay, Matt, Lina.
Okay, my favorite place when the holiday is the beach because I would like to buy some food and I like to look at the beach and the water. Yang penting dapat and food jangan ada food tentang tadi food and this is my favorite place when holiday. Thank you.
Okay, give applause for Elina. Okay, the last. Erika.
So my favorite place is my house because in my house I have some family. My family, my house located in Mislak Village. Mislak Village is located in Kecamatan Jebus, Bangka Barat, and we have many supermarkets like Apple. Yes, we have Apple Serba, Indomaret, Kiun,
I don't believe that.
we have some rivers like Mundi, Besa, and several rivers in my village. I think that's all.
Okay, give applause for Erika.
Thank you, sir. Let's go.
Okay. Maybe this that's enough for the material. Today, what we'll learn today about. Okay, what is this structure descriptive text?
Identification and description.
Okay, very good. Today, I think you all amazing for today about the learning descriptive text. Before we're closing learning, next week I want you all for another example about your favorite person.
Okay.
Maybe next week it will be submit and then represented for all of you. Okay, I think that's enough for today. when I say wassalamualaikum,